Hey guys, welcome back. So it's Saturday. Had a lot of time to button up the rest of the 302 project engine here, and I'm gonna give it a run. So I haven't done any more running on this since the little 2-minute video that I had when we fired it up. It kind of scared me because it shot all kinds of black smoke out of the exhaust originally from all the fuel that I got in there from the startup. But yeah, buttoned it up the rest of the way. Have made a fuel line for it from the fuel pump to the carb. Got the PCV line finished up. Got the muffler on. Got it full of coolant. Got some demineralized water and some antifreeze in there. What else have we done? Vacuum line for the distributor. Everything here should still be good. And I think we're ready to fire it up again. I haven't even cranked it, haven't done anything, so I'm going to crack the garage door up a little bit and try to give it a couple pumps. Should have some fuel left in here, and it should hopefully prime itself before it stalls out a second time, and we'll give it a go. I'll put you on a tripod because I may be bouncing around. We'll get it fired up. I got the timing light ready on the go, and this is just this is the big run-in. And I'll put you on a tripod and we'll make a go with this. Alright, I don't know what angle is going to be best. I figure I'll try this one, see if you can see the oil pressure gauges and the water temp stuff. And it'll show you what's going on. So, I got the wideband 2 meter hooked up. Give it a couple shots here if there's anything left. Oh yeah, there's some left in there. Give it some choke. And ignition power. Kind of close. No, didn't make it. How we doing? A little bit extra fuel in there. I need two hands. Alright, we're right at 10 degrees.
That's pretty darn good for this setup. Gotta bump it up to about 15. Yeah, give it 14.
Too much time into that 40 degrees. And we'll run it like this for now. And when it feels more broken in, and I'll back it down a little bit. Coolant temperature's starting to come up now. All the smoke burning off the lube on the head bolts. I put anti-seize on the exhaust header bolts. Smoke burning off. A little bit of fuel leak here. So got a pile of old socks. Got recycled after Christmas. So this carburetor did the exact same thing on the last engine. When it sits a while, it leaks out of here, and after like a day, it seals itself up for some reason. I don't know why. But burning off 10 bolts. No drama at all. I got to rewire that. I think I bypassed the 12 volts on it, so just wait for the thermostat to open. Burp the cooling system, and I can top it up the rest of the way. Smooth. You go without a heavy flywheel. Got a little flexible, and that's why it rips up the RPM so quick. I think this carburetor, I might swap it out for one of the Auto-Lites. I want to give one of those a go anyway, but short some of these plug wires, make it flow a little nicer. Yeah, short some more. Come on. You can catch it the second that it goes. Alright, I had to change. I literally ran it out of gas, so I had to go put some more fuel in it. Let's fire it up here again. Shouldn't take a lot. Temperature a little more under control now. I think it just burped some of the air out. Yeah, looks like we got about 700, 800 RPM idle. I think this reads a little rich, but I'll leave the fan off for a minute. Sorry for the sock, but shellac gasket sealant. Now that it got warm, kind of squeezed out through some of the spots. So I got to touch up anyway. I still have to paint the dipstick. That sticker got a little hot. And when you first break it in an engine, the oil's going to get hot. So I think it's just made the sticker shrink. Pull right down. You have to figure that out. I know it's coming right from this like disc here. Alright guys, I won't bore you anymore, but there you have it. So yeah, I'll be tightening up. I'm gonna cut the oil filter apart just for matter of course. You know, check there's nothing coming apart in there. Keep burping the cooling system a little bit more, give it some more run time. May put one of these Silv-o-Lite carbs on here. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I do have a really nicely restored Silv-o-Lite 4100. So I got a manual choke conversion on it. And it's probably got a lot of replating, a lot of time. I probably got $300-400 wrapped up into this carburetor. And if I need to want to run it, it's going to have the fuel line coming out of the passenger side, and I just made a fuel line coming to the driver's side, so what to do. No leaks on that one. There you have it, dinner time. I'm going to button this up, let it cool down, do some things, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully Pete and John will be here. So catch you later. Bye-bye.